Humanity's use of plastic is widespread. It is not only polluting our lands and oceans, but it can also be found in the food we eat and the water we drink. This means it is also affecting our own biology. Recent research has confirmed that trace amounts of microplastics can be found in the human body. Microplastics come from a variety of sources, such as cosmetics and synthetic clothing. They are tiny particles of plastic, smaller than 5 millimeters to 100 nanometers in diameter. These particles are the result of the breakdown of larger objects such as plastic bottles and bags. Researchers have analyzed stool samples from participants from different countries, including Italy, Japan, Poland, the Netherlands, Russia, the United Kingdom, Finland, and Austria. Each one of these samples contained microplastics, with one sample containing up to 9 different types. We've been so reckless with our plastic use that it has entered our food chain and consequently our bodies. On average, 20 microplastic particles were found per 10 grams of human waste. Researchers are still unsure of how microplastics have reached human stools, but based on the study, they have estimated that half the world's population have some trace amount of microplastics in their bodies. This study is the first of its kind, and researchers have yet to explore the potential health risk of microplastics' presence in our bodies. One of the main causes of concern is the size of the microplastics. The smaller the size, the greater the possibility for them to migrate from the gut and into the bloodstream, reaching our vital organs. Another issue is the potential damage it can have on the immune system, as they can transfer toxic chemicals into the body. Single-use plastic products are the biggest source of trash, making plastic pollution a serious threat to our ecosystem. Today, only 14% of global plastic is recycled, 2% of which is reused as packaging. The rest is unfortunately discarded on our lands and in our oceans. One garbage truck of plastic is dumped into our oceans every minute. This is estimated to be equal to 9 billion kilograms of plastic garbage being thrown into the ocean every year. Once in the deep sea, plastic disintegrates into microplastic particles, which are then consumed by marine animals. As they climb the food chain, these particles eventually find themselves in our guts. However, seafood is not the only source from which these particles enter our bodies. Plastic water bottles contain hundreds of microplastic particles, which we drink down with the water. The study confirmed that a 1-liter plastic water bottle contains, on average, 10.4 plastic particles. Polyethylene terephthalate, or PET, is the most common ingredient in plastic and is widely used in the manufacturing of water bottles. Another likely source of plastics consumption is through processed food. The damaging effects of microplastics are still unknown. However, studies on some species of marine animals have shown that plastic slows down their growth and causes infertility. Further studies are urgently needed to uncover plastic's effects on humans.